Last year, I hated doing YouTube. By the end of the year, I was to the point where I wanted to quit. I didn't want to do this anymore. And I felt like I might be the only one that felt that way. Well, come January, and you see all these stories about all these different people that they felt the same way. You had big name creators that were giving up. They were either quitting or they were scaling down their channel. You even see people in my own niche, or at least similar niches, that are making changes. Eli and Kate, they posted a video about it. I think Epic Gardening posted a video where he's changing different things. It's a feeling that a lot of different creators are having right now. I apologize for how bright it is today. But it's something that I wanted to talk about because I found myself feeling like that again yesterday. And so quick story. Last year, throughout the year, I work a full-time job. I've got 5 kids, and I was also spending roughly 30 hours a week making YouTube videos. I don't know if that's any better. It's too bright to see the screen. But I was spending so much time making YouTube videos to the point that I was just so burned out that I hated doing YouTube. I hated planning videos. I hated editing videos, filming videos. I dreaded coming home and filming videos. And so I'll admit it was a little bit validating when I saw all these people that were feeling the same way. YouTube, for somebody that doesn't do YouTube, it's hard to explain the mental and physical toll it takes to do these videos, because what you see is like a 5, 8, 10-minute video. But what you don't see is the hours of research and filming and all. Like a 5-minute video that I post has 30 minutes of A-roll video and then another 15 minutes of B-roll video, and it takes so long to put all that together and do all the transitions and all that crazy stuff. And to that point, YouTube also has a way of taking what started out to be something fun, like showing people your garden and showing people your chickens and doing all these things. It took something that is fun, and then you get retention editing that gets kind of shoved down your throat, and everybody just kind of tells you that is the way to get your subscribers and to get your views and all these different things. And so you start making videos in that way, so that way when you look at your analytics on your YouTube, you see that your retention is where it needs to be. People are clicking into your videos, and that's what makes YouTube send your videos out to other people. So you start putting a lot of crazy transitions in your stuff, and you start, really snappy editing and making it really fast and talking really fast. And I know I'm talking really fast right now, but this is how I normally talk, especially when it's something that I'm passionate about. So going back to how I felt this week. So this week I had a video ready to go, right? Well, ready to film, and I got the B-roll done, and some family stuff came up on the first day I was going to film, and then I had one more day where I could film, and then a small family emergency happened and I couldn't film, and I found myself anxious and stressed and just, what am I going to do? I can't post a video this week, and I hate that feeling. And that's a feeling that I felt a lot last year. As I had to kind of stop and tell myself, like, you're not doing that this year again. We're not doing it this way again. When I started YouTube, I started by growing peppers in my basement, because I loved it. I thought it was so cool and so much fun, and I wanted to share that with everybody. And that was fun. And then I started getting into gardening and getting into chickens and all these things, and it evolved. But I was always making videos about things that I loved. But at some point along the way, I would say within the last year, maybe 18 months, at some point along the way, that changed, and I started just getting into this mindset of like, I need more subscribers, and I need watch time, and I need all these different things. It took the fun completely out of it. I hated it. I did not have fun making videos about the stuff I love anymore. It turned these things that I love, like right now I'm sitting in my garden and just sitting in the sun, and it makes me so happy, even though I'm talking about something that hasn't been happy for me. It takes something that you love and it makes you hate it. And I refuse to do that. So I'm just going to be telling you right now that my channel is going to be making a small change. It might feel big to a lot of you, maybe not, but I'm going to slow down on the editing. I might still talk fast because I can't slow down. I try, but I can't. I need to slow down on the editing. I need to slow down on what I'm doing, because when you create videos like I have been, you take your personality completely out of it. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, do you hear all these crows? If you've watched my channel for any length of time, do you know anything about my personality besides Patrice? Patrice, out of everybody that watches my videos, Patrice, I'm calling you out. Out of everyone that watches my videos, I feel like Patrice, honestly, like she knows my family. I feel like she does. My wife, from like day one, before we even like knew her name, from day one, my wife was like, I like her, she's cool. So there's a few people that might know me and know my personality, but a lot of people don't, because I don't leave my personality in my videos. I completely rip that out. I'm done doing that. I'm gonna slow it down. I'm still gonna be doing things that I love, like being out in the garden. I'm still gonna make educational videos, but I'm not gonna take out the fun aspects of it. I'm not gonna be planning my videos out like I have been. I'm gonna show you my garden. I'm gonna talk about my chickens. I'm gonna do all these things that I love doing, hopefully without planes. But I'm gonna be doing this in a way that I can involve my family, because I miss my family. Working 70 hours a week takes away so much time from your family, and I miss that. So I'm gonna be involving them. I'm gonna be doing these things that I love. I'm gonna share them with you, but I'm not going to take the fun aspect away from it. So if you found my channel by searching in YouTube with a question and I answered that question for you, I'm happy that you found my channel. But if that's the type of video that you are here for, is just the very straight to the point, fast, snappy editing, here's the information, I'll get out. If that's what you're here for, then I'm not gonna be offended if you leave. But if you're interested in that type of video, that's the direction that this channel is moving. I know this video is a little bit different, but I had to say this, so this is me saying it. But if you want to see the direction that this channel is going, go watch this video wherever it pops up. Go watch that video, because that is a video I enjoyed. I enjoyed filming. My son was involved. I had fun doing it. It wasn't planned out completely. It was a fun video, and that's the type of video that is probably going to be on this channel moving forward. So go watch that video. Thank you.